What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, we still left the headlights off from the previous video from when I did the headlight transformation. If you haven't seen that, check it out. It's pretty cool. But as you can see behind me, we have the front bumper, and then I just finished clay barring and cleaning my car. So you guys know what that means. We are finally starting the wrap. So I'm waiting for my friend Asmi to show up. While I do that, I'm going to show you guys what wrap we got, what brand and what color. And I'm really excited because this video marks the completion of the V1 edition of my car. So without further ado, I'm gonna just set you guys down, show you the wrap, and then we'll get started. So alright guys, as you can see, we got Avery Dennison, and we got, I think this is called Intense Blue. I chose a color as similar as I could to what's it called, the Laguna Seca Blue E46 M3. So I've been wanting this color on my car for a very long time, and as you guys just heard, the inspiration is from the Laguna Seca Blue E46 M3. So yeah, once Asmi gets here, we're probably gonna only do the driver side doors, and then that's pretty much it for tonight. We'll see how much more we can do, but as of right now, that's all I got. So I'll catch you guys when Asmi gets here. What's up guys? As you can see in the back, or as you saw in the last clip, I already started the wrap. There's a change of plans. I'm at Asmi's house right now. He's been gracious enough to let me use his garage, but we're gonna continue with the wrap process. And then what do you want to do today?
We do
fenders
or the front end done, and then what, trunk, doors, I don't know.
Well, let's do the doors first.
Doors?
When Javi's gets here, I'm gonna have him finish sanding. So but yeah guys, I'll put you on time lapse, and hopefully we get a lot done today. It's not even that hot, so I'm glad.
Yeah, bro.
We fast forwarded like, what has it been, 3 hours?
What time is it now?
We started at like 4. Okay, 4 hours.
5? Nah, we started at 5.
Oh yeah, no, 5. Yeah, 5. So 3 hours.
2.5.
2.5 hours.
3
Nah,
hours.
but we got the front end is mostly done now. We got the hood, both fenders done, as you can see. One fender in. The other fender in. Oh my god. Yo, shout out this guy right here. This guy right here.
Asme wraps. So now I'm not
Asme.
wrapping those guys.
We got Asme Wraps over here, RGMX Automotive. We got Huffy's Body Works. No, but yo, this is so crazy to look at. I gotta give you guys the front POV. Give me a sec. You guys can actually see the vision now. Now that the front end is one color. Yo, this is crazy, dude.
3 years in the making.
5. Oh man. All right, so after this I'm gonna move my car to Javi's house because he has a 2-car garage, and then we're gonna do the rest of the body, so all the complete right and left side. I still got to do body work on one thing. Javi's finished the what is it, the tiger scratch over here, so we're good. But yeah, once we do this, we can actually finish most of the car, so let's get it. So it's been a lot of time lapse the past few minutes. I don't know how long it's been, but we're no longer at Asme's house, as I said. We're at Hafi's house. He's been gracious enough to let me use his garage, and we got a lot done in the last 2 days. So as you can see right here, the complete right side is finished. Yeah, the complete right side is finished. I just cut a little bit too high for the gas cap, so like when you put the gas cap on, you can still see some gray. So I'm going to I put an inlay over there, and I'm going to cut that. And then over on the left side, the only thing that's left on the left side is the driver door. I don't know if you can see, but it's pretty much done. If you go to the front end is completely done. I just have to finish cutting the hood vent things, and then we're pretty much good to go. And then I just got to take off the driver door panel here, and then the chrome trim, and then just do like the rest of the door panels and stuff, and then my car will be finally one color. So I don't know if you guys can see the vision right now, but all that's left to make it look one color from like the rear is the trunk. So that's what me and Hubbies are gonna do right now. So we're gonna save you guys some time lapse, lay the wrap on the trunk, and then get everything started. So we're almost done. The car's almost done. Alright guys, so we finished and left the driver door. We just took the car out of the garage and it looks absolutely ridiculous right now in this light. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it gives off more of like a Miami blue in certain lighting and then a Laguna Seca blue in certain lighting. And yo, this is my car, bro. We just did this. Oh my god, that's crazy. Well, we tried recording. I mean, we tried wrapping the door handles, but it did not look good. So I'm probably just gonna buy like carbon fiber door handles. Thankfully, my car is dark, so it like kind of looks good right now. But like, let's go to the front. Like, ridiculous. Like, look at my car. Yo, we did this. Dude. Yeah, if anyone needs wrap services, like. You know where to go. Oh my god! Alright guys, so I'm gonna drive the car home, surprise my whole family because I've been hiding it here and I've been sending them black and white pictures. So once I get home, I'm gonna tell them to come outside and then see the finished product. But oh my god, this is crazy, guys! This is 5 years in the making right here. This is my dream. For anyone who didn't trust the vision, oh my god, this is the vision that I have for the past 5 years. Oh my god, but I'm gonna have to catch you guys when I get home because I'm just way too gassed right now. And I have to drive before the sun goes down because I don't have headlights right now. But oh man, I'm so gassed. Alright guys, so we are back home and it's looking very good. Just looking at it as I come outside or from my room and whatnot. Still haven't done the front bumper yet. We're gonna do that probably sometime in the next few days, but some kinks that I have to figure out. So unfortunately it started peeling here and I also cut way too deep, if you can see here. I'm hoping the trim can cover that whenever I put it back on, but it started peeling because as soon as I got home it started pouring, and this wrap hasn't sat at the time of installation for a long time. The other body panels have sat for like several days before we actually took it outside, and it's like bubbling over here, but I can figure out how to get rid of that. Besides that, I mentioned the rear bumper situation, I think, but it looks like it has acne, if you can see here, because like we sort of dropped it and like there's just a lot of dust on the back, so we're gonna redo that regardless. And then the trunk I'm probably gonna redo as well, just because I don't like how not perfect it is and whatnot. But other than that, there's like a spot here that is like really stained, and I think it's because of the Bondo that we put underneath. But it's really weird because on the other side, on the pillar, it's not there's no like stain. So I'm honestly unsure as to what or how or why that even happened. But for right now, it's
it's a minor inconvenience because I'm just so glad that the car is done. Oh, and another reason I'm doing the rear bumper again is because I didn't have much room to cut here, so it's very like the old gray from the primer is very noticeable, and I personally don't like that. But besides that, we finally have a car that's one color again, and it's just looking very good. Like on camera it probably looks perfect, but by no means is this perfect. But like, if anyone wants to wrap and they kind of don't want to shell out the price, just try it out, because this is my first time. And although I had someone who had previous wrap experience, like, I've always had a general idea on how to do it because of like how interested I've been in cars for the past few years. Like, and I just have like really bad OCD, so everything has to be perfect. So it's pretty much figure it out or pay someone to do it. And thankfully I figured it out, and it just looks really good. I'll show you guys everything once I finish the front bumper and then reinstall the headlights. But until then, I'll catch you guys later.
Alright guys, as you can see, we finally put on the front bumper. It looks very good. It took us a very long time to do this because I initially saw someone on YouTube wrap it in one piece. However, me being delusional and getting in over my head, I thought we could do that too. And since Azmi had more experience than I did, I had him do the cuts, and it turned out he cut a little bit too high on one side and then too low on the other side. So it didn't work, but I was able to salvage it, and I did inlays in certain areas. So like, if you see there, I don't know how noticeable it is, but you see that inlay, it's like a really odd shape. And over here, it's the whole like brake duct insert. I did the inlay. It's like very not noticeable, which is really good. And then the last one is really weird because it's just like a square right there. That one's very noticeable, but don't look there. And then that one is literally peeling. So I didn't even know that was happening until just now. But I'm really excited because part one of the wrap has finished. We finally finished wrapping the full car. It's all one color. And in part two, we're gonna be wrapping the roof black. And I actually, in part two, I will also wrap my door handles. The actual like Laguna Blue, whatever the Avery calls it. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. It's been a long time coming, but the build is finally coming to a close. Well, the V1 edition at least. But yeah guys, without further ado, don't forget, nothing's impossible. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.